viewers, you are watching watch.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio classic watch in analog and digital combination. It's a classy watch from Casio, Japan. This is a close-up of the dial. As you can see, it comes with digital function and also the analog. And also you can check the close-up of the dial. There's too much information on the dial. It's a Casio fishing gear watch and also illuminator written on the dial, and 10-year battery, WR50M, and also the digital time C941 and Tuesday 2/22 the date. And also on the left you can see there's a diagram of the fish on the left. On the right it's the moon phase. So basically it's called fishing gear watch because the moon phase information is available on this watch, and according to moon phase data you will see on the left. So it will basically tell you the time which is suitable for fishing. That's why it's called fishing gear watch. So it's basically gather and collect the data based on the moon and the tides, and then basically it displays the information accordingly. So it's a pretty attractive watch, and it's in stainless steel chain. And this is the chain design, and you need to press it both to open the buckle. And as you can see, this is the back side of the dial, and Casio fishing gear, moon phase, countdown timer, dual time, alarm, stainless steel bag, AW-82 and Japan moment. All Casio watches come with the Japan moment, and this is the tag of this watch: Casio Japan fishing gear, moon data, 10-year battery, stainless steel case and LED light. And the model of this watch is AW-82D-1AV, and 3768 is the user guide of this watch. So with this user guide you will get to know all the functions, digital, analog functions available in this watch. And again, the dial is pretty attractive dial, and you can look at the dial as many times you want. It's pretty attractive combination of black dial and silver. So it's a digital plus analog combination watch in chain. So let's check the functions available in this watch. There are 2 buttons on the left, 2 buttons on the right. So these buttons are nicely designed. So let's check the function. We will press the one at the bottom. So these are the functions available: stopwatch, timer, alarm, dual time, and the time, and also the analog. So most of the people will ask this question that how to change the analog time of this watch. So to check the analog time of this watch, this button, the one at the top, you need to press it till it's flashing, the time is flashing. Then use this button, the one at the bottom, to change the analog time. See, we have changed analog time. So that's the most common setting that people will ask, how to change analog time. The rest of the functions, like the digital functions, it's very easy. You can check all the details in the booklet, how different functions you can manage, like stopwatch, digital alarm, and also the timer and all the functions. How you can set the 5 alarm So with the booklet you will be able to set all the functions of this watch. So viewers, it's suitable for small to average wrist. As you can see, this is the size. So we will do the measurement of the dial, and also we will check the weight of this watch, and also we will try this watch on the wrist. So let's try this watch on the wrist first. So viewers, as you can see, it looks attractive on the wrist. And also the chain is very comfortable, and also you can adjust the chain as per your wrist. It's easy to adjust. So viewers, let's check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, weight of this watch is 85.2 gram. Is the total weight of the watch. Is not lightweight, not heavyweight. 85.2 is the weight. So viewers, now let's check the diameter of the round dial. So viewers, the round dial diameter is around 40.5 mm. And let's check the area that falls on your wrist. It's around 46 mm, the area that falls on your wrist. And also the thickness of the dial is 12.5 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch, AW-82D-1AV stainless steel watch, from our online store in Pakistan, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available within Pakistan. You will receive your watch within 3 to 5 days. And for international customer, we have given a link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And for the pricing of AW-82D-1AV watch and more information, please contact us on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484. And viewers, if you like this video, please share and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.